audio button. This audio button is maybe when you want to add a music to the background of your video. It could be background music, it could be sound effect, it could be anything audio. So when you click on audio, now it brings you to sounds. You can do copyright check here because CapCut is like an editor for TikTokers. It is owned by TikTok. So from here direct, you can check if the content you are editing has copyright issues in case you upload it to TikTok, because you can actually upload directly from here to TikTok and other social media handles. So this is for checking copyright, and this is for sound effects. If you like adding sound effects to your video, there are thousands of them here. I just can't number them. There are many that you have here for you to select. You can bring your video to life and you can search any sound effect here. For example, if I want to add whoosh sound, when you search it, it's supposed to come up. So different types of whoosh sounds are here. You download them, you can hear that. So mind you need internet connection. You can also extract the audio. You can extract the audio of a video, whether the one on your timeline or the one from your folder, any folder here, any video here. You can decide to extract the audio. Let's assume I want to extract this audio here. Okay, this is a short one, so let me just extract an audio. You see, instead of me importing the video, I just extracted the audio direct. And if I play it, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So that hello everyone you're hearing is from the video I just extracted. Now we are still on sound, we are still on audio. So we've learned what extract does. Custom voices. So you can see here, instantly create your voices. Your recording are encrypted to ensure data security, and are only used to create custom voices. There are disclaimer, just agree this and go recording. So you can start recording. Aside from custom voices, we have the record button. This is the one you use in doing your main recording, your voiceover. When you want to, for example, I want to narrate what happened in this video, I could just say, okay, let me remove the volume of this so that you can hear it properly while I'm doing the narration. So we are on record. Now once I click record, 3, 2, 1, I'll start. So I just recorded something. Now let's hear it and see how the record works. Okay, this is a movie about a guy called who was tired of living with his father. So you can see how crispy it sounds. That's okay. So that is all for audio. Feel free to take this video back to rewind it so that you can understand it better. And if you have any question for me, leave it in the comments below. Please guys, help this channel get to 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Click that bell icon to get all notifications so that whenever we upload content, you will be notified. And also like this video. Your likes and shares are very important, and those likes also improve our algorithms. Please guys, help us reach 1K likes and 1K subscribers. Thanks for dropping by. I will see you some other time.